Hey everybody, Josh the RV Nerd here at Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan, and I've just got one question. What in the Jeff Foxworthy is this thing? Take a look at this. So, some Haylett RV customers of ours were on vacation in Pennsylvania and saw this deluxe apartment in the sky. Why? Why would they do this? I'm trying to figure it out. Is this a thing? And I'm not criticizing. I'm genuinely interested in what's going on here. Is this a thing near floodplains that people do? Is this a normal thing that I've just never heard of? I've been doing this a long time. I've never seen a whole lot of that done very intentionally. Like, what is going on with this? There's like a weird pile of dirt under it, and it kind of looks like they put sort of, well, it almost looks like some stolen concrete pylons from a construction zone under it. If you look really close, there's actually a little green slide. There's children playing under this thing. What is going on? I need to know. So please, help me. So take care, stay safe, have fun, and happy high-rise camping, everyone.